Ohm's law. We've given you three variables, three ideas, and it turns out they are all related. So if we think about our water analogy again, the more water pressure we have, the faster the current is going to flow. And so current and voltage are proportional. We increase the voltage, increase the pressure, and we get more current flowing. It's going to flow faster because of that pressure. Now, if more voltage makes the current increase, if we put resistance in the way, it's going to slow down the current. So we are going to write things out like this. As the resistance goes up, the current is going to go down. And if you think about it mathematically, the different relationships, you might come up with the same thing that George Ohm did, which is that voltage is equal to current times the resistance. Voltage equals current times resistance. And so we can see that should create the relationship that we're looking for. Now, we usually write these things out as a formula, so let me give you that. V equals I times R. And this is Ohm's law. V equals IR. Voltage equals current times resistance. Now, of course, it's also useful to have our variables in there so that we can see which ones we're going to be looking for. You might want to write those down or have those on a cheat sheet somewhere. So if V equals I times R, V is going to be measured in volts with a V, like so. Current is going to be in amps with a capital A, like that. And resistance is going to be in ohms. And you'll often see that as a capital omega. It's like an O with two little lines on the bottom, like a horseshoe kind of looking thing. So that's what we're looking at. Before I end this video, I do also want to show you two other versions. It's pretty simple algebra as far as algebra goes, but you also might want to solve for current or solve for resistance. We're going to give you a little bit of practice with these today just so you can get kind of a feel for putting some of these numbers into place and calculating them out. So if voltage is equal to current times resistance, we might also find that current is equal to voltage divided by resistance, and that resistance is equal to voltage over current. So if you were to have a little cheat sheet or a formula card, which we don't really need anymore, but here we go. This is kind of your big summary there for how this all works together. Thanks for watching, guys. We're going to get you guys a little bit of practice on this. Hopefully, you found all of this informative.